art and play here in Stuytown is creating miniature buildings or community pieces made out of cardboard and imagination.
Yeah.
Is that good?
And tape.
And tape.
Hi, I'm Tom Manco. I am a cardboard artist. I live in the Lower East Side and make stuff for my community. I had an art gallery on Ave B. Had like a little 6-month pop-up gallery. That's how we met. 4 years ago, for my kid's 5th birthday, I made these cars so they can, it was a themed birthday party.
Okay.
So it was the first time being a painter and a muralist.
Okay.
It was the first time I worked with cardboard, and I kind of got into it. And then COVID hit and I needed something quiet to do that I was recycling anyway.
Yeah.
So we had so much stuff delivered for COVID. So I was making stuff out of cardboard with my kid for no reason, and I put it out in the park for no reason. June I did like a Father's Day, like Big Daddy Long Legs.
I remember seeing that.
What else? July I did a hamburger eating a hot dog.
It's amazing how something so simple can take off.
Really simple, recyclable, but that's why it's good with the kids.
Yeah.
You can take a couple little things and put it together, and then you can make anything out of it.
Yeah.
And the buildings were translatable to children.
Yeah.
My name is Isla, and I did something very cool with my friend John today. I made a house that was a building, and I worked really hard on it. He did too, and it's already painted. So we tried to do an elevator, but that didn't really quite work out. But the cool thing we did was we got some windows and we made a roof. I'm a really good artist and I really like drawing. Okay, that's it.
It's amazing watching them translate what they think about a building and their community and how they put it into the little pieces.
Yeah, they immediately saw, like I gave them a sample and they immediately saw how to do it.
Yeah.
And they just did it.
Yeah.
And no lesson, no nothing, they just did it. And they
all
all came out great.
Yeah, it's like a reminder that inside of us we're all kind of innate artists or creators in a way.
Me and my sister both made a very nice house. It was kind of based on the buildings just in the city where a friend of mine lives, and it was also based on an Italian restaurant me and my sister sometimes went to. My favorite building in New York is the Empire State Building. It's so nice to see it over all the buildings in the nighttime with all the shining colors on it.
I'm actually surprised on how well the community's responded to this, because it's a very simple thing.
Yeah.
It's cardboard, tape, and a little paint. That's it. And it's amazing that just people see it in a different way, because cardboard's everywhere.
Yeah.
You know, it's what are you going to do with it?
Yeah.
You know, so it's nice that a little bit of work and you can turn it into something that's not disposable.
Yeah. And I think also that concept of changing something into something else.
That's what art is.
Yeah, and even the inspiration of seeing buildings or seeing other people's buildings that they make, it all helps. You watch the kids just like get one idea and then they're like, oh, I want to do that, and then I want to do that, and then they make their own version.
Yeah, no, it's great.
Really wild.
Very cool.
Yeah,
Huh?
I love it.
I love art.